Are your iPhone contacts stuck in lists after the iOS 18 update? Don't worry, I've got some easy fixes for you. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on syncing and resyncing. Go to the settings, then tap Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on password from here. After that, toggle off syncing. And after a few seconds, toggle it on again. Solution 2. Offload and reinstall. Go to the settings, tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Contacts app. Then tap on it. Here you will see the offload option. Just tap on it. Wait for a few seconds. Then tap on reinstall. It will take a little time, but don't go away. Wait there until it's complete. Now restart your iPhone whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open up the settings again. Tap General. Now scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Then tap Reset all settings again. That's it. Now your contacts should be working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like it. Have questions or ideas? Leave them in the comments below. See you soon.